What's going on, guys? This is David from Caribbean Art Prints, and in this video we're going to be talking about making a gallery for kids' drawings.
Yo, New York is hot right now. Okay.
So everybody knows kids are really creative, right? Bursting with imagination. They love to draw. My nieces and nephews drew me pictures all the time that I would eventually put on the fridge, sometimes just go on the table in a large stack or something like that. So I thought, why not have a place to properly display their artwork and give it, the attention that it deserves. So that's what we're doing in this video. So here's what you'll need: clothespins, yarn, cable clips, scissors, paint, and of course kids' drawings. First, pick a spot where you want to display the gallery.
Is this spot that spot?
It could be a child's bedroom, kitchen, hallway, wherever you like. So take your yarn. You're gonna measure out how long you want your gallery to be. Cut the yarn with scissors, and remember to leave a little extra space because you're gonna be tying knots on the end of each side. All right, now let's attach it to the wall. I'm gonna be using these cable clips that come with an adhesive backing, so I can stick this to the wall and tie the yarn to it. I like these because they don't damage the wall. I don't have to bore holes or anything. Just remove the back and stick it to the wall, and you're good to go. If you don't have these and you don't mind, putting a small hole in the wall, you could use a thumbtack, you could use a hook, just anything you could tie your yarn onto and have it be secure. For the clothespins, we can actually make this into a fun activity for the kids. This is where they can really make this gallery their own. We can have them add some flair and paint them in vibrant and fun colors, add glitter, or even decorate them with stickers. This is a great way to get them involved and feel a sense of accomplishment once the final gallery is finished. Okay, so once your clothespins are ready, dry from the paint and all that, hang the drawings. Hang the beautiful pieces of artwork. While we're stalling, stop delaying this. All you have to do is clip the clothespins to the yarn, securing the artwork as it hangs. And that's it, super easy. I know you have a place dedicated to showing off the kids' artwork, hanging proudly for all to see. This is also a great way to boost their confidence and let their creativity shine through. And the best part is, as they create more artwork, which they probably will, you can easily swap out drawings and keep the display fresh and interesting. Hanging children's drawings with a clothespin yarn gallery is not only a great way to show their creativity, but it also adds a touch of warmth and love to the space. Plus, a fantastic bonding activity to do together. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more creative ideas to come. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and I'll catch you in the next one.